I'm Joe Schomburg, the owner of Viking Equipment. Since 1989, Viking Equipment has worked hard to ensure the confidence of our customers throughout southern New England. Our company is organized to be the absolute best choice for automotive service equipment. We call it the Viking Advantage. Many of our competitors, like parts stores, tool trucks, car company programs, they view equipment as a side business. They don't carry inventory, they drop ship from the manufacturer. They don't install or service, they subcontract to the lowest bidder. They don't carry service parts inventory. Many of them don't even service what they sell. Typically, they only have a catalog and a website. At Viking Equipment, we do it differently. First, equipment isn't a side business, it's our only business. Everything we do is aimed at making sure you get the right equipment at the right price, that it's installed properly and serviced quickly. The Viking team will help you select equipment that fits your needs and your budget. Each one of us has over 30 years of experience in the field. We know what works and what doesn't. At Viking, we will give you quality advice before you make an investment. Our 9,000 square foot facility is fully stocked with name brand equipment so we can deliver quickly. We buy in bulk so we can save you money, and we carry both premium brands and economical alternatives. We install and service most of the equipment we sell. We don't use subcontractors like most of our competitors, so we will make sure you get a quality job. We have the largest team of factory-trained and authorized service techs in southern New England. We have the largest inventory of parts in southern New England. If your equipment needs service, we will be there faster, and we're going to bring the parts to get you up and running. We always guarantee the lowest price. You don't have to pay more, but you'll get more. You get the Viking Advantage.